Well, if you're looking for some more Christmas gifts and you want to be socially and environmentally responsible, we've got a whole table full of them for you. Nancy Wright is the Executive Director of the Epic Sustainable Living Expo, which doesn't happen until May here in Vancouver, but you got to think about it all year round, Nancy, right?
You do. Got to go green.
Yes, exactly. So we're going green here. This is, by the way, the Epic Holiday Wish List catalog, which you can download from their website. But we brought a few of the items in, and we'll start with some soap here. And this smells wonderful. This is the Brazilian Mango Grapefruit.
Really, really beautiful soaps. Actually from Whole Foods. You can buy them. They make really wonderful hostess gifts. And bath salts, all that kind of thing. Whole Foods is great for hostess gifts. They have really beautiful organic chocolates and
so nice.
Different things. Yeah.
This isn't such a bad little hostess gift too.
You know, it's a great hostess gift, and the thing with Salt Spring Coffee is they're launching a home delivery service. So it's fair trade coffee, and they'll deliver it to your house, a bag every 2 weeks.
Oh, great.
And it's fresh coffee, because coffee has a growing cycle just like an apple, and so they choose for you which coffee is the freshest that's coming from their well, various countries, from Ecuador and Peru, and they package it up and deliver it right to your door.
I would love that. Then
yes.
I'll never have to worry about it again. I hate it when I wake up at 2:30 in the morning and realize I'm out of coffee. All right, some robes here as well.
Yes, these are from Dream Designs. They're Canadian made, and they're very easy to purchase because Dream Designs has several stores in the Lower Mainland. And this is organic flannel, and there's bedding to go with this series as well, which is beautifully soft, and organic sateen cotton.
They're so soft.
Oh, they're beautiful.
Which I don't normally think about
nice.
associated with anything other than the terry cloth.
Yeah,
this is really nice.
They're
and
nice
soft.
and lightweight. You know, robes can get really heavy, and for our climate, sometimes they're just too hot, and these are really lightweight and really, really wonderful to wear.
Okay, something else you can wear?
Something else you can wear. El
Very
Naturalista
cool.
boots. These came from Twig and Hottie on Main Street, and they're absolutely darling. They've got beautiful detail on the back, and they're very sustainably made. They're all natural dyes and natural latex rubber on the soles, and they're hand-stitched, very ecologically sound company, made in Spain. But yeah,
a little fashion show.
They are beautiful, beautiful boots. Yes.
All right, how much would these be?
These are $3.19.
Okay.
Yeah, but
they'll
non-toxic.
last you.
Oh yeah, they'll last you years. They're very, very high quality and lovely boots.
All right, and the soccer ball.
Yes, I think this is my favorite on the table. The soccer ball is fair trade. So most soccer balls are made in India and Pakistan, and oftentimes by very young children in very poor working conditions. So this ball is fair trade, which means that no child under 15 is employed to make them. They're really high quality, they're hand stitched, and the people that make them are earning fair wages. And the very best part about this ball is it's a buy one, give one. So you buy a soccer ball and the company will give one to a kid in Uganda. So,
isn't that cool?
Yeah, it's really great. And it's, you know, it's competitively priced as $30.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Okay, and we have a couple of tips. We've got 3 tips for you to maintain your ecologically responsible gift giving in Christmas season. So let's take a look at what they are. And the first one is when you're hosting a party.
If you're hosting a party, encourage your guests to bring reusable containers to take home leftovers so you're not throwing them out. And I did it myself the other night. So you just package them up and off they go. So, you know, it's a great way to sort of share the love and the leftovers.
Bring food, take food.
Bring food, take food, exactly.
Okay, the next one is going on to your computer for your Christmas cards. And you know what? I'm actually in the middle of my Christmas cards right now. I think I should have looked at your tips before I started.
Yeah, I know. You know, it saves a lot of hassle, and it saves a lot of paper, it saves postage, it saves emissions, it saves a lot. So, you know, do your e-cards, your party invites, all of that now can be done so easily online.
And it's not like, you know, some people say I'd rather it lacks the personal touch, but you can really personalize all of these things.
Oh yeah, you really can. And a lot of corporate Christmas cards this year as well. And I saw a few last year are doing donations. So you can, you know, click on this link and we'll donate X dollars to the charity of your choice.
Okay, and the final tip, and this is one that, again, you have to break people of their habits. Don't use wrapping paper, the glittery, sparkly wrapping paper.
Yeah, you know, a lot of it can't be recycled, and it's just wasteful. You don't need to. You can get really creative with newspaper. The Globe and Mail's new paper format, you don't get the bleeding of the ink on your hands anymore.
It's lovely and shiny and colorful.
It's lovely and shiny and colorful. You put a really bang-on, colorful, shiny ribbon on it, and boom, you've got a really great, chic-looking present. So,
okay, good ideas. Thank you so much for coming in, Nancy.
Oh, you're welcome.
So
Thanks for having me.
Epic Sustainable Living Expo happens in May, but think about it all year round, and then head to the big show coming up in May. You can find out more about these gift ideas, download your Christmas wish list, and then find out more about the expo coming up at epicvancouver.com.
Yes.
Thank you for coming in.
Oh, you're welcome. Thanks for having me.
And Merry Christmas. We
Merry
will take a
Christmas.
break here on the Morning News and be right back with plenty more for you.
But baby, it's cold outside.
I've got to go away.
But baby, it's cold.